Do you guys want these guys on your property filming?
What's it to you? Hey, what's it to you?
Come on, don't try to eat this on.
Why are you trying to? Why are you trying to do that?
Can you guys please get off the property?
Where's the sidewalk? Right here? There's a sidewalk right here.
This is not a sidewalk.
It's not a sidewalk? Are you stupid?
Yeah, but they have their actual property.
Yeah, but all properties have an easement when it's up against the street, so people aren't walking in the street.
On all county roads, you're saying?
On all roads, period. There has to be an easement for people to walk, so they're not walking in the street, because walking in the street is obstruction.
Yeah, so wouldn't you have to complete your walk through their property? You can just stay in stationary, correct? If you're going to walk through the easement, correct?
Well, I mean, he's not obstructing or interfering.
But they asked me to tell him to leave from your property. That's what the thing.
Well, you went up and asked him, though.
Yes. I asked them.
You ask it. That's like soliciting a trespass, going in and asking somebody if they want you removed.
We're just walking around, or what are we doing?
Are they all recording?
Yeah.
While you're on camera.
Yeah, it's the YouTuber.
Oh, they get paid for doing that. Oh, are we gonna be on Ox, Bad Boys, Bad Boys? No good. Okay.
So she was seated in the car, the window was down, and he was starting to punch. And where was this car parked at? Parked right where this. And where was she at? I was seated last time. So was it kind of parked? It was parked directly behind where the officer was. Back to stay there.
I'm out here with Midwest Accountability, Nate's K282. Make sure you guys go subscribe to their channels. Oh no shit. The lady over here's got a broken wrist.
Wrist or forearm, but it's really the forearm right here, like jagged up.
Damn. For sure. Hey, so what happened right here?
My husband's friend came over with his kids. We're doing pumpkins or whatever, and he was drinking, and he finished like a little bit to his dome, and fucking after drinking, trying to get him to leave. And I called him mom, and all that.
Damn.
Is racing.
That sucks.
I can tell, yeah. And yeah, I don't know how many times yeah, his mom. I called him mom because I didn't know what else to do, and I called him mom. This is crazy. Like, he was just acting like I'm crazy.
That sucks.
I'm so embarrassed.
Thank you guys for filming all this.
Yes, sir.
It doesn't matter, but yeah, we document all interactions with the police.
Thank you. they'll dispatch everybody, the ambulance, fire department, and whatever agency, police or sheriff.
I promise you, they're gonna go with Grandpa. Yeah, he said he was gonna take her home.
I'm sorry.
So the woman that's being taken in right here, she was pushed down by her son, who's in the back seat of this cruiser, and I guess he got a little drunk, and the folks here at the house had to call the police to get him out of here. I guess I guess they called the mom, and then he pushed the mom down here. I really don't know who called the police actually.
Yeah, I'll call you.
Okay.
Call me when you get to the house.
We're gonna
Oh yeah, you can have it on Facebook. Cool.
we're gonna take the truck and the kids.
Okay, you're gonna put it in the truck.
Well,
I need to let John. You asked your grandpa, honey, and if he says it's okay.
what?
I have your guys. Yeah, we were gonna go to the park and everything. Yeah, they were having fun.
I mean, I
Yeah.
can bring. I think he wants to go.
Yeah, he wants to go.
Yeah, he wants to go.
But she wants to stay with the girls.
Yeah, the
Give
girls
your
are
grandpa
doing,
a hug
they're
and
doing
kiss.
face mask and.
There's a bunch.
and
She's staying the night.
Okay.
So let's not hang out with the girls.
All right.
Okay, and I have Paula's. We're
Stickers,
friends
bud?
on Messenger.
You want some for your
so-
brothers?
Yeah.
Your other brother? Other kids?
Oh, is that? Oh my.
Okay, I'm gonna take you inside, okay, babe? Oh, I'll take one, thank you.
Is that funny for only picking up?
Oh no, there's a bunch of kids. Probably 5. Oh, there's 5 more in there. What's the company called?
Do you guys want these guys on your property filming?
What's it to you? Hey, what's it to you?
Come on, don't try to egg us on.
Why are you trying to? Why are you trying to do that?
Can you guys please get off the property?
Where's the sidewalk? Right here? There's a sidewalk right here.
This is not a sidewalk.
It's not a sidewalk? Are you stupid? This is.
Just go to someone else's property. This is not in our property. This is theirs.
Not all county roads have sidewalks.
Let me get your names and badge numbers real quick.
Fricano 1461.
I've seen you before.
We've been always cordial.
Until now.
Davalos?
You didn't even have to do all
What is it? 1259?
Can you get off the property?
1483?
I need to tell you to leave.
It has. There's an easement right here. You see?
County roads. Over there is. Right here there is.
You guys need to get educated on the easement.
There's no county.
If I don't get off the easement right here, are you gonna arrest me?
If they want you to be trespassed, yes.
That's the truth.
They weren't even saying nothing. They were being nice. Why did you go up there and do that?
That's my job.
It's your job to instigate that.
He's smart. He's on their side, the sidewalk. I respect that.
This idiot right here says that this ain't a sidewalk.
Gotta be an easement though, so people don't walk on this.
How stupid are you?
Not all county roads have it. We're in a county area.
There has to be an easement everywhere. Go look it up.
There's got to be an easement though, so people don't walk on the street though.
I respect the way you talk to us. Thank you.
What's that?
I said I respect the way you talk to me. Not call me names.
Well, I mirror the energy that's given
Yeah,
to
I
me.
never-
If you were a dick to me, I would be a
There's
dick
no
back.
reason to be.
No, I'm just saying though.
No,
I'm
I
being
understand.
nice now because you guys are being cordial with me. If you weren't,
Why do
then
they cuss us and stuff? I'm really just curious.
they're their own person. I can't answer that. I'm not gonna answer for somebody else. I
No, I
mean,
get it.
but I see, you know.
Yeah, but
There's-
they have their actual property.
Yeah, but all properties have an easement when it's up against the street, so people aren't walking in the street.
On all
That's
county roads, you're saying?
on all roads. Period. There has to be an easement for people to walk, so they're not walking in the street. Because walking in the street is
wouldn't-
obstruction.
Yeah, so wouldn't you have to complete your walk through their property? You can just stay in stationary, correct? If you're going to walk through the easement, correct?
Well, I mean, he's not obstructing or
No,
interfering.
Correct. But they asked me to tell them to leave from their property. That's what the thing.
Well, you went up and asked him though.
Yes. I asked them.
You ask it. That's like
I'm-
soliciting a trespass, going in and asking somebody if they want you removed.
So, but I'm
That's the
correct-
same thing.
but I'm correct on you walk through the easement.
Now, if they were to offer up that information and be like, "Hey, we want him to leave," but you went up and asked it, so that's soliciting.
It's not soliciting.
It is.
No,
You're putting it. You're putting the idea in their head.
But I'm right on
because
the easement,
we
correct?
we sat over here and talked to them on their grass, and they didn't say a word.
But I'm correct on the easement. You'd walk through it and use it as a passage, correct?
Walk, yes.
Okay. But not a stationary stand on someone's property, correct?
Well, I don't
I'm just
know.
trying to get educated by you.
Are they impeding anything?
They're on
Are
their
they
property.
are they impeding anybody walking that way?
They're on their property.
So that's where the difference is. If they're impeding someone's travel on that easement, then that's a different story. But they're not.
Oh, okay.
No one's trying to get through. If they were, I'm sure they would move over.
You instigated this, man. You went and try to solicit a trespass.
I do appreciate your service.
Bullshit, dude. If you find out you're wrong, are you gonna apologize? If you find out you're wrong, are you gonna apologize?
In the city area, there is. In the county pockets, there isn't. I didn't know. All the charges would have answered somebody else. But I see you do 245.
Yeah, but they have their actual property.
Yeah, but all properties have
245 for the mom, 273 against the street.
on all roads. Period. There has to be an easement for people to walk, so they're not walking in the street. Walking in the street is obstruction.
Yeah, no, we
You're going to walk through the easement, correct?
So,
Well, you went up.
starting with Dad, what's the one?
You ask it. That's like soliciting a trespass.
That's exactly what you did. You solicited a trespass.
It's the same thing. Now, if they were to offer up that information, it'd be like, hey, we want to leave, but you went up and asked them. So solicit
45 on the
It is. You're putting it out in their head.
But I'm right on the easement, correct? They'll walk out.
instead of 245.
Well, I'm correct on the easement. Walk through it and use it as a passage, correct?
And then didn't look.
But not a stationary stand.
And
I'm just trying to
then
get
so 243 on D on wrong.
Are they impeding?
Yeah, am I impeding the flow of traffic? You see anybody walking through here?
That's where the difference is. If they're impeding someone's travel on that easement, then that's a different.
So then I'll look up Mayhem.
No one's trying to get through. If they were, I'm sure they would move over.
You instigated this, man. You went and you tried to solicit a trespass.
I do appreciate your guys' service.
Bullshit, dude. You're a hater.
He's wrong. In the city, there's sidewalks. Not up down the street.
But the thing is, if you're even on an easement, it's a walkway. You can't stay.
That's bullshit. I'm not blocking the flow of traffic, man. There's nobody walking through here. You guys need to get educated, man. Nobody was here and tried to instigate nothing but you.
You scared of a camera or something?
I wouldn't even file. You literally find me
Oh, yeah. I mean,
that's what I'm trying to cover that.
just cover that. These two that talks to you.
Oh, I have I think this is the CG number we have for the you know, the person coming in where they took over.
I don't know.
Hey, can I give you my card for my channel name so you can see what can I give you my card for my channel so you can see what we do? We're just here to report the police, making sure they're not violating anybody's rights and stuff.
We
You're
don't
welcome.
come on scenes like this to get you guys or
Okay.
personal
Hell
information.
yeah.
or
I was
nothing
like, I don't want it because if I make it, I just have the
That-
neighbors too because I don't want them thinking that
It's
it
just
was us that didn't do that.
it's all about accountability and transparency. It's all it's about. But
There's a 242 with a 17-year-old down the street.
That was the already. You, and then the last name.
What's that additional Jason?
Yeah, it will. Yeah. If it's something tall, it jacks them all.
Just you pull it on the fresh one, right?
Yeah, just pull it on the one that's this one. Don't pull it on whatever you want.
I'm gonna. Okay. And real quick, I'm gonna do both victims. Send me the one for the victim of 242, so I can include them on my second stuff. Okay. Perfect.
Hey, if you find out you're wrong, are you gonna apologize? That's what men do. No? Huh? Fucking clown.
Shit, my bad.
Stop being a little bitch, dude. Seriously, man. There was no fucking need for that.
Rub yourself, pussy.
Fucking clown. Try to solicit a trespass on me, little bitch. There was no need for that, man. You're a coward, dude. I bet you don't even know the First Amendment of the Constitution, right?
Rub yourself, bitch. Prior restraint. Baines Act.
You had to fucking say something, stupid ass.
Huh?
He had to fucking say something.
He did?
Yeah, he's fucking soliciting a trespass over there.
They act like they asked him to, and that's not the case. He went up there and asked him if.
Yeah.
I'm telling you, be safe. They got guns, they got tasers, they got all this equipment. They know the risk and they take the job.
That's right.
I think I got all their names and badge numbers too. It's like Fragliano or something like that.
Good night, man. You got that? You got that fool's name?
I got them all.
Good shit.